Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to connect Apple ID with iTunes. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you want to connect your Apple ID with your iTunes store, so let's see how we can do that. So there's a simple way. You just have to sign in with the same Apple ID in your App Store, and after signing in App Store, your Apple ID will automatically sign into iTunes Store. Now to do that, you have to open your settings here, and then tap on your Apple ID here, and from here just select Media and Purchases. Then select this continue option and your Apple ID will be successfully signed into your App Store and also in your iTunes Store. You can see that it has been signed in. Here you will also get signed in your App Store, and it will automatically sign in to your iTunes Store. Or if you're finding any issue here, so your issue will be easily fixed using your Apple Support app. So you can also use your Apple Support web, or you can get Apple Support app from your App Store. Tap on your iPhone from here and select more option. Now you just have to look for iTunes Store, and from here you have to simply tap on get more help, then tap on call us. You will find a phone number here. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So in this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.